everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of 310's shakes. They reached out to me via Instagram and asked me to review their shakes. I'm really excited to try this because I've been meaning to try out some shakes, and yeah, when they reached out to me, I was like, why not? So just start with these. So this, I actually really like the packaging, that it's got the instructions on here on what to do. That it makes it so much easier. So yeah, let's see how this tastes. I really hope it tastes good, because when they're too milky, I really don't like them. So I really hope they're good. So there we go. Ooh, oh, I like it. I love that. This is really cool. So, oh, you get a shaker. So this is really good. I guess you do need to like be able to use that. And then in there you get, oh, that's just stuff my shipping. Oh, what's in my package? So you, oh, it comes in a really nice little package, guys. I like that mesh like package that it comes in. So I've like watched other videos and people have actually said some good stuff about it, like, so I really hope it's good. So you get a chocolate shake. Oh, nice, nice. Even though chocolate's not my thing, but you know, I'll definitely give it a go. You get that. You get a strawberry flavor, and then you get a vanilla flavor, and then you get a slimming detox tea. Now this is my kind of thing. I love teas. Like I probably have way too many teas, so these I definitely will be having. And then you also then get you get like a thing of what other products they have, like a pamphlet with like what other products they have they offer. So that's pretty good. And then you get two other things. Let's see. You get, oh, you get a lemon mint flavor dietary supplement. Okay, I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna have to like look into it and find out what that is. Okay. And then the other one is blackberry. So I feel like this will be really good. I'm about to go do a workout, so maybe I'll like have some of these before I have my do my workout. All right, so what flavor? I think I'm gonna try the strawberry because strawberry is good. So I'm gonna try this one and see how I go. So it literally says, it says like on the packaging, it's got like what to do. Add 1 packet of 310 shakes. Add 8 to 12 ounces of your favorite liquid, water. Shake and enjoy. Okay then. All right, I really hope this works, because but it doesn't even have one of those shaking things. But all right, let's try this. All right, I'm gonna wash this out first and then see if I can use it. I really like this. This is really cool. Ooh, really nice. All right, I'm gonna wash this out, and then once I put in the water, I'll come back. All right, so I went out and washed out the cup. I've washed it out. I've added in some water. I've added in 8 mils because it did say 8 to 10, and I don't really want too much just in case it doesn't taste nice. So I've put in 8. And I'm gonna start with the strawberry shake, and it's got sugar-free, dairy-free, soy-free, egg-free, and nut-free and gluten-free. So okay, let's try this. All right, so I'm just gonna pour it in. I'm gonna use a fork to like mix it in. So I'm just mixing it up. Oh, it smells amazing. I'm actually looking forward to trying this because it smells so good. It smells so good. Okay. All right. The flavor is so amazing. All right, guys. There we go. Done. So now the mirror fruit too. All right. Okay. Here it goes. Oh, please taste good. Okay. All right. Oh, it's nice. Okay. I have to say, I like the flavor of it. It's not too thick. It's not too watery. It's just perfect. I think you do have to put less water because if I had put more than 10 mils, I feel like it would be a lot more probably watery. But I think if you added in probably like fresh strawberries, it might probably give it that extra flavor since it doesn't have any sugar or anything in it. It has no sugar, dairy, soy, egg, or nut, and gluten-free as well. So I feel like a little bit of like maybe fresh strawberry will give it that extra flavor. So I think next time when I try the vanilla one, I might put in maybe like some bananas and see how it goes. And I'll also maybe like make a video of that and see if it makes a difference having fresh fruit in it or not. So, but at the meantime, I do like it as it is. It's just because it's a bit cold at the moment. I feel like this will be a perfect drink for summer as it is. But in winter, probably not because I don't like cold things, but summer will make it really perfect. So, I do like it. Oh, that is nice, I have to say. I like this. This is very good. And I use water, and it says that you can actually use whatever. So maybe even if you added in maybe milk, that might even help a bit. Or if you added in, I don't know, a different flavored drink, like liquid, that might even make it. Might give it that extra flavor because it just said add your favorite liquid. It doesn't actually say mix it with water. So, but I figure water will probably be healthier. So would I recommend this to everyone? I think, yeah, I'm gonna like try using this for a whole week and see whether it does make a difference. Especially this one's here because they're supposed to be like dietary supplement. So I'm guessing they're supposed to like keep you full, I think. I'm not very sure. I never take shakes, so I have no idea. So, but I'm gonna give this a go for a week, and I might even do like an updated video on what changes this product has made. Anyway guys, I do have a discount code that you guys can use. I'll link it below as well in the description box. That in the description I will put the discount code in there that you guys can use if you do want to try them. Yeah, but yes, I actually do recommend it. Very good drink. I'm gonna drink it and go work out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have tried these and you've noticed anything, please let me know because I would like to know what it made, like what difference it made. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. See you guys in my next video. Bye. Do you guys like my nice. This is like my cute. I really like this workout top that I have at the moment. It's from Kmart, and I have to say Kmart really came through. I love the back. It's really amazing, and it's very supportive as well. Oh, so good. Go Kmart, go Kmart. Who doesn't love Kmart? I do.